Let's discuss today the daily routine phrases, and I'm going to tell you the basic version and an advanced version of it. So, the first sentence is I wake up at 7, and the advanced version is I get up around 7. I brush my teeth, I freshen up, I take a shower, I hop in the shower, I get dressed, I throw something on or I get changed. I eat breakfast. I grab a quick bite or I have some breakfast. I go to work. You can say I head out to office or I head to work. I go by bus. I catch the bus or I take the bus. I start work at 9. I kick off my day at 9. I work on the computer. I spend the day in front of the screen. Then I'll have my lunch. I grab a lunch or I take a lunch break. I take a break. I take a quick breather. I take a quick breather. I finish work at 5. I wrap up around 5. Or you can also say I call it a day by 5. I go home. I head back home. Or I make my way home. I rest for a while. I take it easy, or you can say I take it chill for a bit. Then I watch TV. I binge a show. Or you can say I catch up on some episodes. Then I cook dinner. I make something to eat. I eat dinner. I have a proper meal. Or I sit down for dinner. I talk to my family. I catch up with my family. I read a book. I curl up with a book. I go to bed at 10. I call it a night around 10. I hit the sack at 10.